What's up, everybody, and welcome to another edition of DadGotParks. This time it is the D23 Gold member gift. You may or may not know Dad became a D23 Gold member to get Muppets Haunted Mansion gear. It was the only way you could purchase Muppets Haunted Mansion stuff, and I really wanted Muppets Haunted Mansion stuff. So we became members, and they sent us a gift. Let's see what we got. This first box is a very thin box. What do you think? It's a thin mint. You don't think they sent me thin mints, do you? All right. Careful with this there. Ooh. It's Encanto stuff. Look at that. And on the front, it says D23 60th motion picture. Is this like are these prints? Is this a calendar? Well, I should probably know what they were sending me, but I don't. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, it's a magazine? Is this a magazine? If this is a magazine, it's the most beautiful magazine I've ever seen. D23 Season of Magic. So I'm a little late getting to opening these, but these look like gift tag cards. So you could put, like, you know, on your presents. And then I think, oh yeah, this is a magazine. This is the D23 Winter 2021 magazine. Oh, this is beautiful, man. You could cut the top off of that and make that a print. Oh wow, House of Look at this. The printing in this is absolutely stunning. Lots of information about Encanto. Fantasia. What is that? West Side Story, maybe? Look at the turning point. Oh, Hawkeye stuff is in here. Oh, the Book of Ming-Na. Oh, dude, that picture of Ming-Na Wen is awesome. Oh, it's talking all about everything. Fort Wilderness. Oh, I'm gonna definitely have to get into this. This is an awesome magazine. I really like that. And that's just, I think we get multiple magazines throughout the year. I think you get 4. So that's the winter edition. Would be our next one. Screenshot. Which one of those do you like? Here we go. What did we get in this 2021 Gold Member Collector Set? Is there anything in there? Please tell me there's something in there, because I can't see from my angle. I really hope there's something in there. All right. It's got a welcome to me. Says Gold Member. It's like a certificate. I like that a lot. Welcome to the club, a little newsletter. And the D23, I think it's like $100 a year to become a D23 Gold member. You get access to special events, you get some discounts, you get a free gift, you get the magazine every month, or 4 times a year, I guess, is what it is. Oh, this is a record. I forgot about this. This is an actual vinyl record. Like, I don't have a record player, but you could actually play this on a real record player, supposedly. Oh, look at that. Ooh. It's like clear and shiny. Look at all those ridges. Those ridges are music. Yes, kids, back in the day, you had to take a disc like this, put it on something that spun it, and a needle goes across it and music comes out. It's like magic. But side A is the Bear Band Serenade from the Country Bear and Jamboree. And side B is Nothing Can Stop Us Now from Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Ah, I like that. Comes in this awesome little sleeve. Ah, it's got like a cool little orange bird on here. All right. I have my D23 membership has its privileges card. Very nice. Now, I know they were selling a tin lunchbox, which I have one of, but this is the D23 Gold one. Looks very similar to the front of the one they were selling, but on the back, it says D23 Gold member. Huh? I like that. And then, let's see. Feels like it's got something in there. Yes, it does. All right, what else we got? Oh, we got a pennant. We have a felt pennant, the official Disney fan club. Very nice. And some super awesome pins. Oh, these are the nicest pins I've ever seen Disney make. They're a much higher quality looking than your average Disney pin, if you ask me. The paint on these things is so vibrant and so perfect, I guess is the only way to say it. But wow, look at those. Set of 5. That figment is beautiful. Go well with my figment popcorn bucket, which I did get. All right, put these back in here. I thought maybe it came with a thermos, but it doesn't look like it. But you get your lunchbox to display your awesome pin set. I'll leave that open. And that's it. That's all you get for your D23 Gold membership, other than all the other benefits I talked about. Speaking of benefits, I want to thank every member of this channel. Dad does have memberships you can join below, or patreon.com/DadGotParks. You guys really support this channel, and I can't thank you enough. That's the unboxing. Dad may become a member of D23 just to be able to purchase Haunted Mansion items, but Dad doesn't do an outro. So that's it. Bye.